If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So I seen this post a little bit ago on my Facebook, and it said pretty much to the effect of, being broke is hard, becoming rich is hard, choose your heart, right? And when I saw that, I instantly was like, yo, this is one of the best posts I've ever seen. Because when you really think about it, it's like something you need to ask yourself, right? Like, choose your heart. Because a lot of people, right, they complain about their finances. They say they're broke, right? They want so much more out of life. So what do? They try to find a way to make some more money. Right? Whether it be, oh, I'm gonna get into real estate, I'm gonna get into making money online with drop shipping, affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, all of these things, right? They get motivated and they're like, yo, I want to do this because I want to make money because I'm sick of being broke, tired of it, right? So they try something, and then they realize, like, oh, I got to do this. You know what I'm saying? I gotta build a website, or I gotta write articles, or I gotta shoot videos, or they're not getting the results that they thought they would get, you know what I'm saying, as fast as they thought they would get them. So most people quit, no matter what it is, right? Most people, they just quit because they say, yo, this is too hard. This ain't what I thought it was. Like, damn, you know what I'm saying? The videos I watched said this was easy. The blog post that I read said this was easy. I should be making $5,000 a month, right? And a lot of times that don't happen like that, right? And it's hard. It is hard. So then what happens is people, they quit, they go right back to the same situation that they was in, you know, struggling, complaining, cutting cost, right? Oh, we can't buy this month, or we can't eat this, or we can't go here. That shit is hard, right? So you got to ask yourself, which hard are you going to choose? Think about it. Which hard are you going to choose? Because they both are hard. That's a fact. Being broke, hard as hell. Becoming rich, hard as hell. But I rather choose the hard that can lead to financial freedom, to happier living, right? Being able to provide for my family. I'd rather choose that hard than the hard that is going to lead me nowhere but to depression and stress and unhappiness. And who the hell want that? So you got to ask yourself, which hard are you going to choose?